Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video, y'all, we are going to be straightening my hair. Well, not we, but I am going to be straightening my hair and y'all are just going to be watching me. But the last time I straightened my hair was in October of 2022, which hasn't really been that long, but I honestly feel like my ends need trimming. And on top of that, my birthday is going to be in a couple of days, so I kind of just want to go ahead and straighten my hair and clip my ends at the same time. So I just wanted to show you guys what I use to prep my hair for this straightening process. I kind of switched it up a little bit. Well, actually, I switched it up a lot as far as the wash day products go. But the heat protectant and the silk infusion products that I used before, that is, I'm still going to be using those. So what I use to detox my hair is the Detox Clarifying Shampoo by Miche. And y'all, this stuff is really, really good. Like, it will really detox and get every single thing out of your hair, product buildup and everything. And then I went in with the Miche Strengthening Deep Conditioner. It's the balance between the protein and moisture. This is what that looks like. And then I went in with the CHI Keratin Conditioner. And then lastly, I just sprayed in the CHI Keratin Leave-In Conditioner. And so currently that is what is in my hair, and I have my hair in these two ponytails to kind of keep my hair stretched. And another exciting thing that I'm going to be using in this video, which I was like really excited about using, is the brush attachment on the Pattern blow dryer. If you want to see a review of this Pattern blow dryer, I'll have that linked up above and in the description box if y'all want to check that out to see how I felt about this blow dryer. So the silk infusion and the heat protectant that I was telling you about earlier that I usually use is by CHI as well, this right here. And it has like a little bit in here, but really a little bit goes a long way. So this might be enough for this straightening routine today. But I do also have a silk infusion with keratin by CHI as well. And you know what? I think I'm going to use this one instead of this one just so I can see how I like it. And then I am going to go in with the CHI 44 Iron Guard Heat Protectant here. So that is everything that I'm going to be using to straighten my hair today. So let me just kind of squeeze some of the excess water out of these ponytails. And this is my microfiber towel by Pattern. And I'm just trying to get as much water out of my hair as possible, just so I won't have to spend so much time blow drying my hair and maybe cause additional heat damage, or heat damage for that matter, not additional. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and unbraid this. And then you guys can see what my hair looks like with that leave-in conditioner in. And I do want to add that it is a spray type leave-in conditioner. All right, so this is what my hair is looking like. Okay, so we are going to take some of this heat protectant here and just spray it on here. So one thing I do want to add is the brush attachment can go straight across this way, or it can go up and down this way. So I am going to probably try it out on maybe on this way first and see if I like that position better or the other position. So I'm going to put it on medium flow, and sorry about that. I'm going to put it on medium heat and medium airflow and go ahead and start blow drying. But before I do that, let me just go ahead and take my detangling brush here just to kind of make sure my hair is still detangled. And as a matter of fact, let me just go ahead and break this up into 2 sections. And detangle. It's still detangled pretty good. All right, now let's go ahead with the brush. Okay, so I'm going to try it the horizontal way now. I was having a difficult time trying to figure out how I wanted to hold the blow dryer with the brush, and I found that the up and down way is easier than the horizontal way. So another thing I will add is you want to make sure that you keep your hair taut while you're brushing, and make sure you're starting at the bottom and working your way up each time, because if you start right here, you're going to be struggling. So let me just continue on with this section. Okay, so I'm going to be honest, y'all. I don't really like this brush attachment to actually blow dry my hair. I actually like using the paddle brush blow dryer that I have used before on my channel. That is actually much easier to use in my opinion. Here are my thoughts after blow drying this section with the pattern brush attachment. So what I will say is, do not do like I did and try to brush through your hair so fast like it's a process, and you just kind of basically have to take your time as you're going through that section. Make sure it's detangled really well before you go in with this brush attachment. And as you can see, like as my hair started to dry, it was much easier for me to get the brush through my hair. I will say though, my hair feels really soft, and it is blown out pretty nicely. So, and I told y'all my ends do need trimming. I know y'all see that, but we're gonna take care of it. But yeah, so this is this first section here, and I am just going to go ahead and braid that up just to keep it stretched, and then move on to the next section. Okay, y'all, so my hair is blown out, and I just want to show you guys how much hair came out while I was blow drying my hair. Let's see, got this much here. So not much at all. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to put my hair up and I'm going to get ready and flatten iron my hair. I'm going to start in the back and work my way up to the front. So now I'm going to get some of this and put it on my hair, just a little bit, about that much there. In this section. And this is going to give it that sleek look. And this stuff smells really good, y'all. Already looks so much better, y'all. And this is how much I cut off. Y'all, it had to go. Alright, so if you've seen my straightening routines before, you know the drill. I'm going to flat iron each tiny section and then trim it and then move all the way up to the top until I am done straightening my hair. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, I'm finally done and my hair looks really good. It is so super duper soft and it is shiny. I'm so glad that I was able to get all those dead ends off of my hair. And let me just show you guys how much I cut. So it's about this much here. So I would say that I probably cut like maybe an inch and a half, maybe 2 inches off of my hair. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Comment down below and let me know the last time you straightened your hair. And also, if you have not subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so before you go. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.